Returning to wealthy coin, howdy everyone. You will get rich if you invest $100 in Shiba Inu today, according to Robert Kiyosaki. It appears that the price of Shiba Inu has been clinging to a substantial support level that has been established during the past 3 months. 2 weeks ago, there was a dramatic shift due to a consolidation along this barrier. As a result, investors are keeping their fingers crossed for another rebound as the consolidation continues. Robert Kiyosaki has promised that anyone who invests $100 in Shiba Inu today would become wealthy. We'll go over his proof in this video. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. Meme currency founder Satoshi Kusama defended SHIB holders on Twitter against those who wanted to cause confusion and mistrust in the ecosystem. Shiba Inu's price is hovering at $0.000018, a crucial level known as the point of control. The prior SHIB run-ups were mostly due to this barrier, which is the largest traded volume level since April 11th. The killer app for Dogecoin began a 53% surge on August 14th, forming a double top at $0.000179. In the time after, the price of Shiba Inu reversed its gains and is now back at the point of control, where it hopes to initiate a comparable movement. To this point, the bulls have shown no signs of aggression or presence, but if SHIB stays put for a while, it can spark a buying frenzy and lead to a rapid ascent. The recent equal highs at $0.00000179 are the first objective for bulls or smart money. After retesting the $0.000179 barrier, a 52% gain could be possible with a bounce of $0.000018. Although this forecast is simple to understand, investors must be prepared for the POC breakdown and the resulting 9% drop. Retesting the immediate support level at $0.000106 will be the next target for SHIB as a result of this move. In the second scenario, a rebound to $0.000179 will lead to a 68% gain. The third possible conclusion is that the target price for Shiba Inu drops to $0.00000083 to correct the imbalance, rather than $0.00000006, which would be the expected support level. If this is the beginning of a rally, we should expect a 104% increase to $0.000179. Investors can avoid missing out on the rise by dollar-cost averaging their investments at the important support levels highlighted earlier, regardless of the many possibilities. Nevertheless, the bullish thesis for the Shiba Inu price will be rendered useless if SHIB manages to close its daily candlestick below $0.0000000074 without swiftly recovering. The Shiba Inu group is really excited to see the massive revamp of the network come to a close. Thus, the Shiba Inu development team announced a major SHIB the Metaverse milestone alongside the introduction of Hub. A cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu has been experiencing significant growth over the past few months. The digital asset first appeared as a spoof of Dogecoin, but has subsequently evolved into its own thing. With the asset price growing in August, Shiba Inus have garnered a lot of interest. The ShibaSwap ecosystem's governance token is BONE. Holders are able to cast votes on proposals with a weight corresponding to their holdings. The price has been unable to move past the $1.20 horizontal resistance level since the start of the year. It attempted 3 failed breakouts throughout this time. Nevertheless, on August 19th, the price began a quick ascent that was finally broken on August 29th. During this increasing trend, BONE rose by 200% in 10 days and then continued to rise on day 11. In time for BONE's launch on the Bluebit exchange, the price has been rapidly increasing over the last 2 days. Presently, it's trading at $2.10, which is the 2.61 external fib retracement resistance. Once surpassed, $2.65 would serve as the subsequent barrier, forming the 3.61 external Fibonacci retracement resistance level. Mind in Trading, a cryptocurrency and stock trading firm, posted a BONE chart revealing a $2 price high. At $2.60, he said, prices will encounter their next hurdle. When looking at the prior decline, the resistance area lines up with the 3.61 external Fibonacci retracement level. The RSI values provide credence to the idea that the rising momentum towards the defined goals should be maintained. The indicator's breakout from a descending resistance line is the primary explanation. To add insult to injury, the daily RSI has not shown any signs of bearish divergence, although being overbought. On a similar note, The 6-hour RSI does not show any bearish divergence. Contrarily, although being far inside the overbought region, the indicator is still rising. Since this is the case, it's reasonable to assume that prices could rise to around $2.65. After the sell-off on August 19th, the crypto market was surprised, as was widely expected. Skeptics of the market are sounding the alarm about the macro scenario's bad news. Enviable meme tokens were among the things that didn't make it through the sale, but Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Before the crash, both tokens were doing well in their own bull markets. Doge maintained its lead over its rival in the cryptocurrency rankings. The Shiba Inu, on the other hand, tumbled even lower in the rankings. After falling 2 spots over the weekend, it was 14th at the time of publication. As of this writing, one Dogecoin would set you back $0.061, down 3.54% from the previous day and 7.09% from the previous week. Shiba Inu did not fare much better, trading at $0.00001193, a decrease of 3.25% in the past day. Additionally, SHIB coin prices have fallen over 7% during the last week on CoinMarketCap. Some members of the crypto community found SHIB's public announcement of its metaverse exploration to be humorous. As far as anyone can tell, the metaverse was never the goal of a meme that had no practical use. The most recent SHIB statement, however, made it clear that there was no turning back now, so maybe the uncertainties will persist. Early on September 3rd, SHIB made an announcement about a daring move towards the objective. It was revealed on SHIB's official blog that we will all succeed. Things were looking up for the temple project. In the wake of the release, a proposed temple concept emerged. Will we all be able to survive? A number of architectural plans from 6 different cities were considered by SHIB, according to its communications. Among the locations singled out by SHIB for potential inspiration were New Delhi, Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar in the preliminary designs. With the plan in mind, SHIB made note of the fact that the community's decision is ultimately up to them. A majority of the SHIB soldiers appeared to concur with their replies. Nevertheless, the SHIB price has not rallied as a result of the announcement. Looking at CoinMarketCap, we can see that SHIB has fallen 0.17% in the past day, even if the volume has increased by 305.3 million. The burn rate was 47.19%, which was lower than the previous pattern, and 69,087,091 SHIB tokens were burned in the same time frame. Robert Kiyosaki just tweeted that the financial disaster he predicted for 2013 has actually occurred. Investors can end up losing millions of dollars, he said. Making money during this time is something Kiyosaki suggests. When you consider Warren Buffett's comment that the markets are full of blood, it's hard not to agree with him. According to market data, the S&P 500 has resumed its downward trajectory and has recovered from the support level between $4,000 and $3,950. Consequently, holders should continue to retain Shiba Inu and purchase SHIB tokens, as Robert Kiyosaki predicts that Shiba Inu's value will soar. As of right now, the Shiba Inu coin ranks at 0.000012 on market cap, making it the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency. The consensus among market watchers is that cryptocurrencies will remain relatively stable for the foreseeable future. This should be true for Shiba Inu as well. However, the bull market price of Shiba Inu and the optimistic coin projection will be fascinating to watch. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.